Abarigani, and welcome. Today is a special day. It's December 26th, which marks the first day of Kwanzaa. Now, what is Kwanzaa? Well, Kwanzaa means first harvest. It's an African celebration of the harvest, right? It was also started by Dr. Malana Karanga in 1966. So Kwanzaa is made up of 7 days celebrating 7 principles. And today, the first day, the principle is Umoja for unity. And unity is all about maintaining community and unity among us. I believe myself that, we can't go anywhere unless we unite. And we're looking for many ways and many avenues to unite and all be one. But we also got to start with ourselves. So, Umoja. I shake. Peace, and see y'all tomorrow.